Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp. The process is very simple, so let's start with the tutorial. First of all, just open the WhatsApp application on your mobile and now open the chat you want to send the video. Now tap on this camera option to send a video or photo. So I'm going to choose a high quality video from my photo gallery like this and let's send it. Now as you can see, WhatsApp compressed my video and it's not high quality anymore. It's a little bit blurry. So let's fix this problem and send the high quality version of the video without compressing it. So now if you want to send the same video in high quality, what you have to do is you just have to tap on this hamburger icon and you can see this document option. So you just have to tap on this document, go for this browse other documents, and from here tap on this videos, and now you have to find the video you want to send. Like this video, this was the video I sent it earlier. Tap on this select and now tap on this send, and now this video will be sent in higher quality and WhatsApp is not going to compress the quality. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.